make Matar Egg Masala. Hello everyone, I'm Kitcha. I cook, I eat, and I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KitchTube HD. Well, today my objective is to make a yummy dinner for my parents, who have been hardworking for the entire day. And one dish that my parents always made for me was Matar Egg Masala or peas egg curry. So I thought, why don't I make them one? So let's begin. Let's begin by turning on the heat of the pan. Let's light the fire. Let's keep it for a couple of seconds. Let's add some oil. Let's wait for it to heat up a few seconds. Let's add the onions. We've added the onions. It's been a long time since I've cooked. I mean, because of the COVID and online classes, I've not been able to make much videos. But when my dad was free and my mom was free, and finally when I got the news that they were free and we could just make a video, I was so excited. So I came right here and we started the video. I mean, I love cooking and I usually do it in my free time, but I especially love it when I'm in front of a camera and I'm able to share with an audience. It's really fun interacting with you guys, and I'm thanking you all so much for following my channel so far and really appreciate it. Now the onions have become transparent, just very slightly turning brown. We need to quickly rush up. Let's add the ginger garlic, mashed ginger garlic. Mix it a bit. I love the aroma of onions mixed with ginger garlic paste. Not paste, like mashed ginger garlic and with ginger garlic paste. It has mixed well and nicely, and we'll put it for a few seconds. Let's move on to the next ingredient, 2 green chilies. Spice is of main importance in the Indian culinary book or whatever. You will see that most of them involve chilies, peppers, masalas and other stuff. Whenever cooking, I love the aromas. They just mind-boggling. That will be enough. Let's add the tomatoes. Now we're going to hear a big sizzle. Wow, there's a very small sizzle. Okay, now we're going to hear it. Oh, there it comes. It's not really that big. Let's add some salt. Mix it nicely. Cook until the tomatoes are a little soft. Right now they are partially soft, but once it turns off, we can add the rest of the ingredients. Next, let's add the cashew nuts. I have nothing to say about cashew nuts. They're just cashew nuts. Next goes in the spices. We got some chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, and garam masala. Mix it nicely. Once the spices are cooked well, add water and cook it for a couple of minutes before switching it off and then leaving it to cool. Once it cools, we're going to grind it into a paste. And our paste is ready. Yes, let's take it out. Next, let's turn on the heat in our pan. Let's add the butter. is very satisfying seeing the butter melt. I personally love using butter in cooking. Just satisfying. Our butter is melted. Let's add our fresh peas. Here I have with me some fresh peas. Let's add it and then saute it. Let's settle down. Like a volcano. Saute until the raw smell goes. Yep, still raw smell. Now let's add the paste. I added some water inside and giving it a good shake so that it can mix with the paste, and I don't have to waste all the paste that's lying around on the sides. Let's add it. Cook for a couple of minutes. Then we can add the cream for richness. A little is enough. Now mix it nicely. It started to boil. Now let's add the main attraction, the eggs. I have put slits on them. I'm going to be adding 3 eggs. One for Mama, one for Papa, and this one is for me. Now mix and coat the eggs. Now I'm going to be adding dried kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. I'm going to be crushing and adding as that brings out the aroma. Give it a small mix. Switch off and it's ready. Let's do a small taste to see if it's alright. That tastes amazing. Whoa. And it's ready. Let's plate it and serve. Thanks for watching KitchenTube HD. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KitchenTube. Bye bye.